How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Pete's Carport. It's a beautiful Sunday out here, actually the first day of football. I just took my 63 Austin Healey out for a nice ride. Got a few hours before kickoff, so I figured let's go ahead and clean the Austin Healey down. In fact, let's start kind of a paint correction. Now, I don't want this car to be perfect. Now, I know that sounds crazy, but this is my Rat Rod street race build. So what I want this thing to look like is something from the 60s that somebody built to kind of race on the streets. So I've done a lot of modifications to the motor. It is a real fun, real cool sounding car. But I want to try to see what we can do with this paint because it's a beautiful color. It's not perfect. It has chips, scratches here and there. But when they painted this car, they did a really, really good job. It seems like a really nice paint. It's nice and thick. So I think we can really wet sand this thing down, polish it out, and make it shine. So the goal with this car is to keep a lot of the patina, but really take care of the car. So I want to go ahead and shine this paint up. I love what a lot of people do out there with these classics that have some rust and some patina, and then they go ahead and put a clear coat over it. I just love that look. It kind of gives it that I use my car, but I really care about it. I want to keep some of that classic patina, but also show that the car is cared for, but also driven. So let's go ahead and get it washed down, clay bar it, wet sand it, polish it out, and I'll show you guys the end result. So let's get going. Guys, so I had to pull this out in the sun to show you. This is just a compound on this part of the hood, and it looks unbelievable. I had no idea how much metallic was in this paint. I hope it shows up on film, but this thing is just gleaming. We still haven't even done the polish, and I've already decided we are definitely ceramic coating this car. It is gonna come out way better than I thought, and the paint is like glass now. Obviously, it's still got the chips, the scratches, and some of the patina, which is what I wanted. So let's keep moving forward. I'll show you guys everything, how it looks at the end. I'm pretty excited to see how it's gonna look. You can see it's pulling that dirt off. And just a little scrub with a brush. And rinse. So guys, all I can hope is that it shows up on camera as well as it looks in person, because it is absolutely incredible. And every time I do a paint correction, ceramic coating, it outdoes my expectations. But guys, this one by far blew me away. I had no clue this paint was gonna come out this nice. I knew we had some depth in the paint. I knew we could wet sand it, and I knew we could polish it out, but I did not know we were gonna get this type of shine out of the paint. And guys, this is a little bit of metallic paint in here. If I get the sun to just hit it right, you're gonna see the little bit of sparkle in there, and it just looks incredible in the sun. Absolutely incredible. This is exactly what I was hoping for. A car with patina, but with a super, super nice glossy finish. Something that looks like it was very well taken care of, but also used to race on the weekends. Something that somebody really enjoyed, and that's exactly what this car is. Something that I'm gonna enjoy, but something that I really do care about. And I love the color that this car came in. I know it's not original, but I know somebody really cared about it when they painted this. So I wanted to try to bring that back, and I really feel like I nailed it, guys. Well, there's gonna be a part 2, because I started to do this, didn't realize how well this is gonna come out, and I wanna go further. I wanna start polishing out some of this aluminum framing here and just really get this interior looking good. So there will be a part 2, guys. I hope you enjoyed this slight restoration that ended up becoming a full paint correction. And I am absolutely in love, guys. I love this car anyways, but now this car is blowing me away. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You have an awesome day, a blessed week, and I'll catch you on the next one.